Today at Garfin's Creation, we'll be making the seashells, black seashells also called as Khubas or Khubes. You will find these seashells in the market during the monsoons. So let's make a simple chili fry using these seashells. Find the recipe in the description box below too. First we need to wash the seashells thoroughly. I have washed them 2 to 3 times, and next we need to boil them. For that I have added enough water and will cook this for around 15 minutes. Once these are cooked, we will let them cool down and then get the flesh out of it. I am using a pin to get the flesh out of the shell. We also need to remove the small piece of the shell that comes attached to the flesh. So after cleaning all the shells, I've got 1 bowl of the seashell flesh. So let's make the chili fry out of it now. To make this chili fry, I have heated the pan and added 1 tablespoon of oil into it. We will let the oil and the pan heat up. So for this chili fry, I have cut 1 large onion sliced, 1 tomato slice, few curry leaves and 2 green chilies. And once the oil is hot, first we'll add the sliced onions. And we'll just cook this till it is a little bit soft. And also to keep stirring it in between. And once the onions are a little bit soft, we will be adding the next ingredients, that is the tomato, the curry patta and the green chilies. I have sliced 1 large tomato, and this curry patta of mine, I usually dry it up and store it in a bottle. So in case of emergency, when I don't have fresh curry patta, I use these dried leaves. I have also added half a teaspoon of salt. You can adjust that accordingly as per your taste. Now we'll continue frying this for another 2 minutes. Till then the tomato too will get a little bit softer. The tomatoes have become a bit soft now. I have diced 1 large potato into smaller pieces. We'll be adding the potatoes too now and let this cook well. We'll need to cook this potato fully till it gets a bit soft. So I'll just put a cover over it so that it steams up and cooks soon. So do keep stirring this as well in between. Besides the potato, you can also add 1 capsicum that is sliced. That too adds a nice flavor to this chili fry. After a few minutes, you can check if the potatoes are cooked. And these looks done. So now it's time to add the spices into it. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of Haldi powder, half a teaspoon of Jeera powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Adding the pepper powder is completely optional. Just mix all the masalas well and add a little bit of water so that the masalas do not get burned. Usually chili fries are a bit dry, so do not add too much water, just 1 or 2 tablespoons is enough. So about a minute, the masalas are all well cooked. So it's time to add the shells that we had just cleaned and stir this in very gently. We will just cook the shells for just about 2 minutes so that it absorbs all the flavors from the masalas. As the shells were already cooked well, this won't take much time. And now lastly, we'll just squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and just garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And with this, our delicious Khube chili fry is ready to be served. I do have a video of potato chops made with these seashells as well. So I'll put that link in the description box too. Thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe to Garfin's Creation for more such videos. Till I see you again, take care, bye bye.